Where are you going, Jacqueline? Okay. So you're gonna go skiing, Mama? Huh? Oh boy, I'm in charge of the baby. Alexi. Okay, I'm going to take care of you, Alexi. You're getting ready? Huh? Okay, ouais. And then try to see the glasses there, okay? Is it tight?
Yeah, it's okay. The baby there.
Yeah. Jacqueline? Huh? Maya? Where are you going? Stop. No, stop. Please.
The baby, the baby.
Yes!
The baby.
It's okay.
Maybe he cannot breathe there. Or what now?
Remember, when you take off your boots, you might get some snow under your boots, okay? Good. Okay, good.
The baby there.
Now you have snow under your... No, in front. Yeah, do it this way. Yeah, more. Do it under your heels. Below. Okay, go now. Go. Okay, push. Yes. Okay, girls. I will be at the crêperie, okay, Mama? Okay, wait, Lynn, I take picture. Jacqueline? Go with your mom, Jacqueline. Okay, girls, are you ready? Jacqueline? Okay, Mama is going skiing. Jacqueline is a ski instructor today, alright? Okay, let's go. Okay, Mama, you're going to catch the lift. I'll be at the crêperie. And Maya, you're staying with me and Alexi, okay? Allez, keep going down, girls. Keep going down. Jacqueline, take your mom with you. Allez, viens Maya. Let's go get Alexi, okay? Come on. Let's go get Alexi. Huh? Hello, baby. We're gonna go to the crêperie, okay? Okay. All right. Yeah.
Moi aussi, là, mon flûte, là, c'est...